Triad of Discovery, The Life of Hulusi Behçet. Dr. Hulusi Behçet was born in Istanbul, Turkey on February 20th, 1889. His early childhood was marked by frequent moves because his father was a customs officer. Despite moving often, the young Hulusi developed a deep intellectual curiosity and a disciplined nature. He grew up in a world where science was rapidly uncovering solutions to ancient medical mysteries, inspiring him to learn everything he could. When it was time for his higher education, Behçet chose to study medicine, a crucial profession during the unstable times of the early 20th century. He attended the Military Medical Academy in Istanbul. There, he was taught by excellent professors who instilled in him the fundamental importance of careful observation, scientific method, and meticulous note-taking skills that would define his professional life. After graduating in 1910, Dr. Behçet gained practical experience serving in the military during the Balkan Wars. He understood that to specialize, he needed international exposure. He traveled to Europe, seeking advanced training in dermatology and venereal diseases in major medical centers like Budapest, Berlin, and Paris. This time abroad broadened his perspective on global health challenges. In 1919, Dr. Behçet returned to Istanbul, bringing his highly specialized knowledge back to Turkey. He started his work in dermatology and quickly established a reputation for excellence, first at the Haskoy Venereal Disease Hospital and later in his private practice. He was known for his dedication, ensuring that all his patients, regardless of their background, received thorough and respectful treatment. Dr. Behçet's expertise led to rapid career advancement. In 1933, he reached the pinnacle of his teaching career, being appointed as a professor of dermatology and venereal diseases at Istanbul University. As a dedicated teacher, he continually stressed to his medical students that they must always be curious, question established ideas, and believe in the power of their own observations. During this period, Dr. Behçet began encountering unusual and confusing cases. Several patients arrived suffering from persistent, severely painful mouth sores. What was most puzzling was that these patients also often experienced severe inflammation and lesions in their eyes, sometimes leading to temporary vision loss. These combined symptoms did not fit neatly into any known disease category. For many years, these mysterious cases were dismissed by other doctors. They often treated the symptoms separately, believing the problems were unrelated, a dental issue combined with a random eye infection. But Dr. Behçet was convinced that these recurring symptoms were linked, pointing to a single underlying systemic disease. He spent years recording and sketching the lesions and tracking the disease's unpredictable progression. The breakthrough came when Dr. Behçet treated a male patient who exhibited the complete pattern of symptoms. This patient suffered from the painful oral sores, the serious eye inflammation, and recurrent genital ulcers. Seeing this specific combination, a triad of symptoms, drive, Behçet recognized that he was dealing with a distinct, previously unrecognized systemic illness that attacked the body's small blood vessels. Dr. Behçet first formally published his groundbreaking findings in 1937, describing this new condition. He presented the disease as a triad: recurrent oral aphthous ulcers, recurrent genital ulcers, and uveitis, eye inflammation. He correctly proposed that the disease was a form of vasculitis, an inflammation that harms the blood vessels, which explained why it affected multiple, seemingly unrelated parts of the body. His innovative discovery was not immediately accepted by everyone. Some international physicians remained skeptical because the symptoms of the disease varied widely between patients. However, Behçet defended his detailed findings vigorously, publishing his research in several respected international journals and corresponding extensively with other researchers across Europe to share his data. Sadly, Dr. Behçet passed away in 1948, just before his monumental discovery achieved its final global acceptance. Yet, his life's work had already provided the crucial foundation necessary to understand and treat this complicated illness. In 1951, scientists officially recognized the condition as morbus Behçet, or Behçet's disease, ensuring his lasting contribution to medicine. Today, Behçet's disease is recognized globally as a complex but treatable condition. Thanks to Dr. Behçet's tireless work and his insistence on connecting complex, diverse symptoms into one unified illness, patients around the world now receive correct diagnoses and appropriate treatment. His story is a powerful testament to how scientific curiosity, diligence, and faith in careful observation can fundamentally change the lives of millions.